He is going for broke. Drew Pearson. He got it. Touchdown.
Bogdowski going low for Wallace Francis. Francis leaps. Ball is in the air.
Stops the clock with 1 second to go. Field goal would win it.
Up in the air.
Going deep.
They're hoping.
Tip. Caught. Touchdown. You're kidding. The Vikings. They win it. Time is run out. Minnesota. They are the champions. Ahmad Rashad.
In the pocket, looking. There's the Hail Mary. Headed for the end zone. And it is caught for a touchdown. Good one.
He is going long down the near sideline. It's going to be a jump ball. And it is pulled out by Billy Johnson. Johnson inside the 10, 5. He is down. He is. Give it to him. He's in. Down.
Montana gets in time. There's a flag down. And it's caught in the end zone. Touchdown.
This one up for grabs, and Falcons are down there.
The pocket, looking long. Here goes the pass. Rod Smith up. He got it! Broncos win!
Couch. Long, high ball. Lots of guys going for it. Fighting the end zone. It's caught by the Browns.
He's got time. Is this like New Orleans?
Caught it!
Steps up. Fires. Mike Sims Walker. Knocked down.
Oh, he caught him!
Oh! The game's final play is a Wilson lob to the end zone, which is fought for by Tate with Jennings simultaneous. Who has it? Who do they give it to? Touchdown! It's going to get there. He turned 32 yesterday. Does he have a vintage moment in him? In the end zone, it is caught for the win!
Murray out of the pocket. 7 seconds. 6 seconds. Murray heaves it down